Hello students, presenting to you Environment and Ecology for Btech first year students. Please subscribe to the channel in order to avail the benefit of free PDF notes, study material, solution to any other problem, and model paper before your exams fully solved. Let us continue. Unit 1, Definition. This is a very favorite question of section A where you are supposed to be giving a definition of the word environment. The components of environment, segments, is a repeated question of section B where you have to discuss the various components and the segments of environment. Section C question comes as a lengthy question asking you to discuss about the various importance and scopes and requirement for public awareness for environment. So let us begin. What is environment? Enumerate and discuss the various segments of environment and what do you mean by the term environment? Environment is a French word meaning encircling or surrounding. Like your earth is surrounded by atmosphere. It consists of water, land, etc. All these things which are surrounding the earth, responsible for the availability of natural resources and human life is coming under the study of environment. So environment refers to surroundings. This word is very important when you give the definition of environment, which vary from place to place and continent depending upon the physiography, that is the physical features of the place, topography, that is the location, climate, that is the type of climate of that place, and the available natural resources. A place having large and good quality of natural resources with lot of green plants and vegetation will have a good supply of oxygen and a good healthy human lifestyle. A place having less natural resources, more of companies, more of pollution will be having the effect on human life. So environment in a way is directly related to human health. Hence, its study is very important. So the result of multi-dimensional environmental crisis like soil erosion, landslides, and in turn pollution, especially air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, etc., lead to ill effects on human health. So the sum total of all surroundings of a living organism, including natural resources and other living things which are providing the condition for development of growth, come under the study of environment. So the basic types or the segments of environment are your atmosphere, which is basically the gases which are present or encircling the earth. So atmosphere, that is A for atmosphere, A for air, consists of gases, dust particles, liquid, water vapor, etc., which are circling the earth. Hydrosphere, that is consisting of water. So it includes water that is on the surface of planet, underground and in the air. A planet's hydrosphere can be liquid, vapor or ice. Lithosphere, that is land, consists of various types of soils, rock, etc. Biosphere, living beings, that is the living beings or the living organisms that are there on the earth are coming under the study of biosphere. Have a look at all the 4 terms which are being judged under the heading of types of environment. They all consist of the word sphere: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere. So they are also known as the four spheres of the earth, coming under the broad heading of environmental studies. Why to study environment? What is the importance of environmental study? Environment is basically concerned directly with human health. The more we touch the environmental balance, the more ill effects it is going to have on human health. So it is day-to-day interaction with surroundings. Like suppose any day there is lot of sunlight, it will be considered as a summer day. Lot of rain, no sunlight, again it will have a direct impact on human beings. So it is related to basically many branches of science. It is concerned with the importance of wildlife and its protection. It explains the important role of ecological balance, that is balanced water supply, balanced sun supply, sunlight, a balanced photosynthesis cycle for the availability of oxygen for human life or any life to survive on earth. Then environment is giving us the important information of population explosion, population growth. Environmental science is also letting us know about water conservation, etc. All these factors are very necessary for human life to survive. Now, this is a very favorite question again of AKTU exam. It is asked many times that how will you divide the major layers or regions of the atmosphere? They will be divided under which category and discuss them under the various temperature ranges. Right now, I told you about the four spheres of Earth. Lithosphere consisting of land details, atmosphere, the gases that are surrounding the earth, hydrosphere consisting of water and its detailed studies, biosphere consisting of all life on earth. Now let us have a look at all these different four headings in detail, because this is a very favorite question of section C. Section A usually is definitions. Define environment, define atmosphere, define hydrosphere, define lithosphere, define biosphere. But section C will expect you to discuss these terms in detail. Let us begin. Atmosphere. As you can see, the earth is surrounded by a blanket of atmosphere which is consisting of gases, water droplets, etc. So it is a blanket of suspended liquid, solid and gas which cover the earth's surface. Atmosphere is basically implying to the protective blanket of gases surrounding it. It sustains life on earth. It saves it from hostile environment. These blankets absorb most of the cosmic radiations from outer space and a major portion of the electromagnetic radiation from the sun. These atmospheres also transmit ultraviolet, visible and near infrared radiations, and the atmospheric layers help in filtering out the harmful rays so that they do not reach the earth and hence save human beings from various effects of skin diseases. Atmosphere consists of life-saving oxygen gases, nitrogen gases, etc. for required for the survival of plants. Besides that, there are various other gases surrounding the atmosphere. You can have a look at the percentage. Nitrogen is highest in percentage, round about 78%, oxygen 20%, argon around 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.036%, the important gases. So on the basis of temperature profile, this question has been asked in JKTU, that demarcate them on the basis of temperature profile. That is, a shortcut way to remember these three layers is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. So TSM, to show me, that is just a shortcut way. Troposphere extending to approximately 12 kilometer from the Earth's surface, stratosphere another 50 kilometer, and mesosphere 80 kilometer. So TSM. Now look at this graph which you are supposed to be drawing in your section C answer. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. So troposphere, what is that? It is more dense and it contains total atmospheric mass. Formation of clouds, storms, thermal convection, etc. are occurring in the troposphere. The temperature variation, as you can see here, shows a fall in temperature with rise in altitude. Look at this. The temperature is falling while the altitude is rising. So the range of temperature basically varies from minus 17 degrees centigrade to minus 55 degrees centigrade. On increasing the height, temperature is decreasing. Now look at stratosphere here. Stratosphere basically is the cause for absorbing ultraviolet radiations which are harmful for human skin. Temperature variations are marked by, as you can see here in the diagram, the temperature is rising. It is rising in temperature while the altitude is increasing, and around stratosphere it is becoming 0 degrees centigrade or 273 Kelvin. Mesosphere, that is, main activity here is burning of meteoroids and their disintegration. Temperature variations is marked by a fall in temperature with increase in altitude. Thermosphere consists of ionosphere and exosphere. The temperature gradually rises up to 500 degrees centigrade, which then sharply rises again and may reach beyond 1000 degrees centigrade. Ionosphere extends approximately from 100 to 400 kilometer. Main activities in ionosphere are the presence of the ionized particles, which is straight away affecting the reflecting radio waves. So ionosphere comes from the formation of ionized particles, that is the plus and the minus, cause of clouds, electricity in clouds. Exosphere, it is a region lying above ionosphere, which is known as hyperspace. Hydrosphere, it has been done in blue for you because remember, hydrosphere will consist of all water resources available on earth like ocean, river, sea, lake, stream, reservoir, ice cap, glacier, groundwater, etc. And as we all know that 3/4 of Earth is surrounded by water, so approximately 97% of Earth's water supply comes from oceans. 2% is locked in the polar ice caps. Around 1% is available only as fresh water, which can be used for human consumption. Lithosphere, litho L, land. That is why it is being done in brown color. It is the outer mantle of the solid earth. It consists of minerals occurring in earth's crust and soil. That is, minerals in soil. The more fertile the soil will be, the more good is going to be the vegetation. The more fertile the soil is, the more cultivation can be done. Biosphere, that is consisting of all living organisms and their interaction with the environment. So it consists of basically the all forms of life on earth, mankind living and the non-living. Life sustainability is studied under biosphere, that is biology, where you are studying approximately the sustainability. This question has been asked in your exam to mark the temperature ranges for ionosphere, stratosphere, and mesosphere. Thank you.